Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just a new video here on Rivian. I've never covered them. Was doing another EV video on Lucid and came across this one. I've thought about this one, but just hadn't gotten a video done on this one. And so here's the video on Rivian. So ticker RIVN. Can't get any simpler than that. This one was just listed on November 10th. I was too busy working then, that's why I missed this one, but so it looks like it started at $106.75 and of course took a dip to $100.73, had a nice run up to $172, and then it's just kind of came back down and just been kind of hovering anywhere from the 119 to 104, and that range currently at 116.68. Here in the last month, it's came down almost 12%. In the last week, up over 0.42%. And here's a look at it today. So down 1.85%. If you don't know what this one is, it's a manufacturer category defining electric vehicles and accessories. If you follow my channel, you know I'm totally into EVs. Pretty much every EV company out there: GM, Ford, Tesla, Neo, Xpeng, Li Auto. I pretty much have them all, so there's obviously some I'm leaving out. Those are the major ones. Ford and GM has had a great year. Tesla, up until about a week or two ago, was doing really well. I think it hit 1,200. Now it's about 940, 930 and change here today. So, but back to Rivian. Founded in 2009, volume of 6.62 million and average volume of 13.5 million. $104 billion market cap, 52-week low of 95.20 and 52-week high of 179.47. Currently at 116.73. We'll see if it hits those highs again. And just did a video on Lucid, so if you're into Lucid, and here's a look at Tesla. It's down to 944, so wish I would have sold that at 1,200, but didn't. Just let it sit here and do its thing. But moving on, over here on Bing, showing Rivian as a buy, and again currently at 116.83. Rivian Automotive shares are heading higher. This is dated on the 13th. In the last trading session, 8.33 million shares of Rivian were traded. Most recently, the company's share price was $114.66, changed around minus 74 cents or 0.64% from the last close, which brings the market valuation of the company to $103.49 billion. Rivian currently trades at a discount to its 52-week high of $179.47, offering almost minus 56.52% off of the amount. The share's price 52-week low was $95.20, which indicates that the current value has risen by an impressive 16.97% since then. Rivian Automotive average daily trading volume, 10-day average is 13.35 million shares, with a 3-month average coming in at 37.84 million. Rivian has showed a red trend with a performance of minus 0.64% at the end of the last trading. The performance over the last 5 days has remained in the green territory. The rise of the weekly highs of 123.40 on Friday, 12/10/21 increased the stock's daily price by 7.08%. Company shares are currently up 13.83 year to date, but still up 9.54% over the last 5 days. So we'll see what it does here in the next couple days and throughout the end of the year. Got some holidays coming up, so those will either be no trading days or shorter days, and I'm sure that's going to hurt some of the price on some of these as well. Rivian moved down 0.64. Why it's important, this is dated on the 13th. So in the last trading session at $114.66, the day's price range took a hit to a low of $110.80, which is the highest price level was $118.01. The company reported on December 6th that Rivian set its date for a release on third quarter 2021 results. Rivian today announced its third quarter 2021 financial results will be released on December 16th after market close, which is actually tomorrow, or 2 days, so we'll see what happens with that particular date. So that would be Thursday. Rivian will host an auto webcast to discuss its results and provide a business update at 1:30 p.m. Pacific Time, 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time the same day. The link in the webcast will be made available for 4 weeks on Rivian's Investor Relations website. And there you can go to the website. Tesla, Rivian, trade secrets, fight is nudged forward by judge. And this is dated on the 13th. So Tesla, slow-moving court fight with Rivian Automotive over allegations of talent poaching and technology theft. Got some new deadlines from California judge. Tesla has 30 days to produce all of the documents it claims were stolen by several former employees who defected to its smaller electric vehicle rival, according to a tentative order issued Monday by a state court judge in San Jose. Following that disclosure, Rivian has 30 days to respond to Tesla's long-standing requests for pre-trial information sharing, including details on what steps Rivian took to investigate and respond after the theft of trade secret was alleged. So we'll see. This will be interesting to see what happens. Tesla filed the suit in July of 2020. Superior Court said the deadlines we're imposing on both sides are the best resolution for this important and interesting matter. So really, if Tesla, Elon just wanted to buy Rivian, that would be an easy solution. That'd be kind of interesting. Just throwing that out there. I'm just thinking what I would do if I was in the shoes. You could buy anything. So, and it's Rivian Automotive, a smart investment choice. This is dated here today, just a couple hours ago. Investment management firm published its third quarter 2021 investor letter, a copy which can be downloaded here by clicking on the link. A return of minus 6.71% was recorded by the LRT Economic Moat Strategy for the month of November 2021, extending its 12-month range to a positive 23.06%. Capital was able to post a gain of 17.91%. You can take a look at the fund's top 5 holdings and have an idea about the best picks for 2021. So if you have any Rivian stock, you can go ahead and list that in the comments, along with any other EV stocks you have, or any other videos you want me to, or any stocks you want me to make a video about. I'd be happy to do that as well. But I kind of like to diversify and have a little bit of all. Of course, I have more in some than others. Ford and GM is probably my biggest holding, and then I would say probably Tesla, but yesterday was a great day to own shares of electric startup Rivian, where the stock revving 3.7% higher after Motor Trend named it RIT Electric Truck its Truck of the Year. And this is just dated here today. So today, however, Rivian, giving back all of those gains and more, is down 4.2% as of 12:20 Eastern Time on litigation jitters. Specifically, Bloomberg is reporting that the California judge has ordered electric arch rival Tesla to accelerate its lawsuit against Rivian, alleging that the latter stole documents from the former within 30 days. Tesla must produce a list of all documents it claims were stolen by several employees who left Tesla for Rivian. So if it's true, I'm sure there's people out there that don't like Elon, probably just because he's rich and has one of the biggest companies in the world, but who knows, this will be interesting to see what all happens with this one. So basically what the judge's order does is to accelerate the trial process and move things closer to a day when Tesla will either win or lose its lawsuit against Rivian. On the one hand, victory over Tesla would remove a big dark cloud over Rivian's future, but on the other hand, a loss in court would cripple Rivian at a critical time in the development, as it's working to bring the R1T electric truck and R1S electric SUV to market and simultaneously build 100,000 electric delivery vans for Amazon. So very interesting catalyst right there. Not only are they have an order, but for another great company, which is Amazon. Moving on over here to Reddit. Who is actually buying Rivian shares at this price? Not me. And I just did a video on Lucid. We'll see if it drops anymore, and then I might consider it. But currently at 116.53 with a 52-week low of 95.20 and a high of 179.47. And there you go, duck and wabbit season. Gotta love Looney Tunes. Back to 120s for Papa. Nice short on the AM and a nice long on the closed from over here to tip ranks. Currently at 116.70. Moderate buy out of 14 ratings. 10 are showing a buy with a 15.7% upside to $135. High of $170, low of $94. But if you have any of Rivian, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis. Any other information you care to share on Rivian that we could take a look at and see if that would help us in deciding whether or not to buy Rivian, or just any information to help us at all. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, following Ford Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.